TechPedia presents 13 new inventions that will blow your mind.
Having so-called true wireless headphones means always carrying a case with you wherever you go. The earbuds and case are easy to lose, and the poor battery life ties you to the charging case with an invisible wire. It's time for something better. Introducing WearBuds, the world's first on-wrist charging true wireless earbuds. The innovative design allows you to charge your earbuds on the go without a case. They are securely stored on your wrist, ready for whenever you need them. It was a great challenge to make these earbuds as small as possible, while still giving them a great battery life. They also had to be specially designed to fit perfectly into the wristband. Drawn from industry giants, the experts on the product team have a wide range of specialties and are dedicated to bringing WearBuds to life. More than 285 prototypes were built and tested before the team finally got a result they were satisfied with. Sound quality matters. With an advanced Qualcomm smart audio chipset and fine-tuned graphene augmented dynamic drivers, WearBuds guarantee exceptional audio and immerse you in a stunning soundscape wherever you go. You can pop out either earbud to make hands-free phone calls easy and fast. The reinvented band not only stores and charges your earbuds, it's also a powerful fitness band that counts your steps and calories burned and monitors your heart rate and sleep patterns. Coated with special protective layers, the wristband stays clean and dry throughout all your outdoor activities. It's time to stop compromising your experience with so-called true wireless earbuds. Cut the invisible wire now, once and for all.
You hear that? That's the sound of your brand new doorbell. Introducing the Bosma Sentry, the most versatile and secure video doorbell on the market. Similar to most smart doorbells, you can see and talk to whoever is at the door.
Hey, sidewalk grill delivery?
All right, I'll be right out.
The doorbell sends you notifications when motion is detected or the bell is rung. allows you to send and receive voice messages when you are away from home, and comes equipped with both color night vision and regular infrared night vision. Sure, that's nothing new, but this doorbell does so much more. The Bosma Sentry is designed with the capability for a wide variety of snap-on modules. You can add a PIR floodlight module, which provides more accurate motion detection as well as additional lighting at night. There's even a fingerprint module, which works with the Bosma Aegis door lock to ensure you get inside your home without the need for keys or your phone. There's also a weather sensor and hub module. With Bosma's facial recognition, this doorbell lets you know if there's a stranger at the door or someone more familiar.
Hey man, I'll be there in a second.
And package detection lets you know when your package has arrived. What's great about the Bosma Sentry is it's the only doorbell with active theft prevention, which makes sure any attempts to tamper with your important deliveries will be immediately warned with a high-pitch 110 decibel alarm. So if you missed the notification because you're driving or weren't paying attention, that's not a problem. Other smart doorbells can detect theft, but only the Bosma Sentry can actively prevent it. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
Are you aware that our shopping habits have a direct impact on our environment? What if you could help save the planet by reducing food waste in your fridge and also save cost on your grocery bills? Introducing Fridge Eye, a smart refrigerator camera for every fridge. We all have refrigerators, and modern refrigerators can expect to last for 14 to 17 years. You've thought about smart fridges and how they'd be perfect to help you reduce food waste and help you organize your shopping routine. However, modern smart fridges cost between $2,000 to $6,000. The average consumer wastes 40% of groceries, which is over 225 pounds of food per year and worth $1,500. What if you could easily upgrade your current fridge to make it smarter and help you out by cutting down on your grocery bills, save time, and also plan meals? What if it's so easy to use, it's only a swipe away? And even on the go, you know what's in your refrigerator or pantry every time, everywhere. No more shopping lists and forgotten products. Fridgeye. Fridgeye is an innovative and affordable kitchen gadget to help you recall the items in your fridge through an app on your phone. That way, you'd be able to buy your essentials and avoid purchasing the same item on the go. A simple, user-friendly, and sustainable device that has an easy Wi-Fi configuration and easy mounting for most fridges. Thoughtfully implemented, our team created Fridgeye as a tool to help people better organize their cooking routine in their daily life. Save food, save money with Fridgeye.
We've taken personal protection to another level. The TASER Pulse Plus now links to your smartphone and integrates seamlessly with Noonlight, an app that can dispatch 911. The 15-foot effective range allows you to defend yourself from a distance and locks up the muscles of an attacker for 30 seconds. And if you ever fire your Pulse Plus, just leave it and get to safety. Help is on the way from Noonlight, and with the TASER Safe Escape program, so is a free replacement device. Get the confidence to freely go wherever you want.
What's up, guys? Now, have you ever been in one of those really annoying situations like this? Or maybe like this? You know that feel, and so do we. That's where Wilson comes in. Wilson is a compact disc brake fingerprint bike lock. Only 220 grams in weight, it's so easy to carry. Wilson locks onto the disc brake, providing durable protection for your bike. And you can use the cable lock for added security. Wilson is fitted with an energy-efficient battery and low power consumption components. A single charge provides up to 3 months of protection. Your finger is the key to Wilson. Just tap and within half a second it unlocks and you're ready to go.
Hey Indiegogo, we're Candle, and we want to help the world spend more time outside. We've created the world's first rechargeable, battery-powered gloves designed for the city and the summit. The gloves are touchscreen friendly, fashionable, water-resistant, have 3 temperature settings, and are built to last. Imagine no more cold mornings, cold walks, cold commutes, cold runs, cold games, cold ski days, and cold nights out. When tackling a cold day, what matters most is being warm. So we made sure the Candle heating elements reach up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now how hot is that? That's hotter than a hot tub. Since we live in the city, it's important that the gloves look good so you actually wear them. Forget about sacrificing fashion for function. Candle gloves are sleek and all black, so they go with everything. Living in the city is busy, so nothing should slow you down. Candle's designed to be touchscreen friendly, minimal, and fit to allow high dexterity, so you can drive to work, run your business, work outside, and walk your dog without skipping a beat. Mother Nature can toss wild cards your way, so to make the best addition to your winter life, it needs to be water resistant and cold proof, yet thin enough to wear as a liner to complement your ski gloves for those extra cold days. We've engineered Candle gloves and socks to last 3 hours on the hottest temperature setting, 4 hours on the medium setting, and 6 hours on the lowest setting. We believe products should enhance your life, not add complexity. To make things simple, we made the gloves lightweight and compact, with battery zippers on the outside of the gloves for easy charging. And if they're dirty, just toss them in the wash. So how does it work? Candle gloves and socks are engineered with carbon fiber heating elements, so they're thin, comfortable, and efficient. The fabric is made out of a unique blend of milk silk, neoprene, and lycra, ensuring Candle gloves are the softest, lightest, stretchiest, most breathable fabric possible that's also naturally water resistant. Candle gloves and socks have lithium polymer batteries, so they're reliable, rechargeable, lightweight, and small, so you barely notice them. Why are we doing this? We want to make the outdoors more accessible. The average American spends only 7% of their lifetime outdoors, even less where it's cold. Even Harvard Medical School thinks it's important. Their study shows that outdoors can boost vitamin D levels, make people happier, more likely to exercise, and even concentrate better. On our quest, we fell in love with an organization that really helps people get outside, Take a Hike Foundation. So 10% of all Candle proceeds will go towards helping their youth graduate high school with the help of the outdoors. By supporting Candle, you're also supporting those who really need a hand. We're committed to keeping the outdoors pristine and protected. Therefore, Candle products come with a reusable fabric bag and a compostable cornstarch-based mailer. That's it. No styrofoam, no single-use plastics, and no bulky cardboard boxes. Every bit of effort spent reducing single-use plastic counts. So please, support our campaign and help us bring Candle to life. With your help, we can revolutionize the way people enjoy the outdoors. Join us outside.
Hey guys, liked this video? Give a thumbs up, comment which was your favorite below. Subscribe and click that bell icon.